because I know the ladies are not in the back right here as well. Assalamualaikum to all my brothers and sisters, uncles, aunties, everyone. Can everyone hear me? Yes. Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Thank you so much to Bangladesh Society and to all the organizers for organizing this beautiful gathering indoors on this terrible weather. But I think the love, the camaraderie, the companionship, and the joy that we have of Eid right here beats that weather. Can we say that? Yes. I think so too. I wish everyone a wonderful day. It's always a reminder when we finish Ramadan. It's a bittersweet feeling because it's an end of a month that we don't know if we're going to get back ever again. And that feeling that this is a time to reflect on ourselves, on what's happening around us, and the sacrifices that are made throughout, not just for food, but everything else, for who we are. It is a really important, really significant time where we get to do that and we come together and celebrate. So I wish you all the very best. Eid Mubarak, everyone, and I look forward to serving you as your member of parliament, inshallah, in the next years to come. And of course, next Eid, hopefully we'll see you as your. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.